Do you really think that confidence means intellectual or sagacious person who has lots of knowledge in their own field? Definitely you're wrong, guys. Confidence means practice and consistency. In this video, I will discuss about how to gain confidence while you are speaking English. Hold on. I'll not take you too much time. Just short time. There are many problems or many issues are there which will prevent you to gain confidence while you try to speak in English. But I have pointed out only 3 particular issues which prevent you to gain more confidence while you are speaking or in your life, whatever you can say. So number 1 is assumption as a subject. So when you start to learn this language, you feel that it is a tough subject in the world. It is like a ghost for you. But basically, you are learning a language that if you have a particular environment, you can easily learn that. For example, if you're talking about your native language, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Hindi, whatever, when you just grow up as a child, you don't need any kind of grammar rules, any kind of things. You just listening something and try to repeat it. In that way, you can learn this language. In the same way, you have to think in your mind that it's just a language. It's just language. You know what? You can easily learn it. So don't think about it as a subject. Take it easy and keep it simple. That's it. Okay, let's talk about number 2. Compare to others. For example, you're a beginner and you have a friend who is a very good speaker in English. You feel that, okay, OMG, he's a good speaker. I mean, he's too much intellectual, he's too much talented guy. I am not able to achieve that particular things in my life, So it's not like that. If you're a beginner, just try to focus on your process. For beginner to intermediate, after that you can go for advanced. If you practice in the right track, definitely you can able to speak like a native speaker, like advanced speaker, like a fluent speaker, whatever. So try to follow the process. Don't jump on the top. Just keep learning step by step. Definitely you will reach on your goal. I say you will reach. Number 3 is that lack of consistency. It is not only important to learning this language, it is also important to our life. As a human being, it is important to learn any kind of qualities, anything, whatever you want to achieve in life. Consistency. So be consistent. So how can you be consistent in the process of learning this language? You have to listen more. You have to speak with some people. You have to speak with yourself. Read some books. Learn some vocabs in every single day. Maybe 5 words. This kind of things you can do every single day, and you will achieve the whatever you want. You can be a fluent speaker. You can be a good speaker in English. At the initial level, I know that it's too much tough to overcome these kind of things. But if you practice every single day, step by step, you are ready to crack. You are ready to achieve the dream to be a fluent speaker. You can speak in front of people without any hesitation. Actually, I know that it is very tough for some days. I know that it's very tough at the initial level, but definitely if you practice a very practical way, one day you can achieve the dream to be a fluent speaker. Trust me, it will possible. So if you like the video, then subscribe my channel, share to your friends and family, and absolutely you have to comment below which kind of video you want, and don't forget to like my video. It's give me some motivation to make more videos about this topic, about English. Thanks a lot. Take care about yourself. Bye bye.